This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Veronica Hempel less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025. Wonderfully designed. Beautifully efficient. Flowers decorate the yards. The birds love them. Great sitting areas. Peaceful with a wonderful ambience. 3-bedroom 2-bath home with an also-smart floor plan. Refreshed kitchen with plentiful cabinets. Corner sink. Very pretty. Open living room features a fireplace and easy comfort. The master bedroom accesses the backyard via a patio door. A well-designed master bath features a fabulous huge walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 have ample spacing. Hall bath. Hallway accesses the washer and dryer. This home is very attractive. A must-see. In perfect condition. Great location close to Sonora City Center. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Hempel less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025 at 209-532-7400.